In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record purchase invoices in Zoho Books. We'll walk through the quick, clean way to enter a vendor bill so your expenses and accounts payable stay accurate and up to date. Start by heading to the top right corner of your Zoho Books screen and clicking the plus icon. From the drop-down, choose Bills. In Zoho Books, purchase invoices from your vendors are recorded as bills, so this is the right place to capture what you owe. You'll land on a bill entry page. Begin with the key header details. Choose the vendor name associated with the bill. Make sure the vendor you pick matches the name on the invoice you received so reporting and payment history stay consistent. Next, type the bill number exactly as it appears on the vendor's document. This helps prevent duplicates and makes future searches easy. If your vendor references an order number or purchase order, add that in the order number field so you can tie the bill back to your internal records. Set the due date according to what the vendor specifies. If your payment terms are agreed in advance, like net 15, net 30, or due on receipt, select the correct payment terms. In many cases, the due date will update automatically based on those terms, but it's always worth a quick glance to ensure it matches the invoice. Now, move to the item details. Add each product or service line as it appears on the vendor invoice. Select the correct item, enter the quantity and rate, and include taxes if they apply in your region. If you track expenses by category or account, confirm the right account is selected so your reports remain accurate. Use the description area to capture any helpful context, like a model number or project reference, which can save time when reviewing later. Before you move on, double-check the totals, taxes, and currency to make sure they match the vendor's document exactly. When everything looks good, decide how you want to save the bill. Choose Save as Draft if you're still reviewing, waiting on a correction, or want someone else to approve it. Drafts won't affect your books until you finalize them. Choose Save as Open if the bill is confirmed and ready to be tracked as an amount you owe. Open bills flow into your payables and help you stay on top of upcoming payments. And that's it. With those details in place and the bill saved, you've successfully recorded a purchase invoice in Zoho Books, keeping your records clean and your cash flow planning accurate.